edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
Now guys, it's your chance. I have managed this iPhone XS Max and now you have the chance to win this beautiful phone. Look at that, in beautiful gold. And this phone you can win. You guys are amazing these days and that's why I will give you something back. What you have to do is, first step, like this video, then subscribe Härtetest and make sure that the notification clock is on. Next step is like Härtetest on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me." And then guys, you are able to win this beautiful phone. And yes, good luck to everyone. And now enjoy this video.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.
And yes guys, was my crash test with this Samsung Galaxy S10 and the car. Guys, I hope you like this video. And yes, as always, thumbs up for a new crash test and